how you can easily increase the brightness in Bully Anniversary Edition game. To increase the brightness in Bully Anniversary Edition, first of all, go ahead and launch open the game, and once you do, from the main home page, go to the map icon at the top right corner. After you're inside this menu, tap on Settings at the bottom left, and inside Settings, select the brightness option. Drag the slider right next to brightness to increase or decrease the brightness in the game. The brighter you want the game to be, make sure to drag the slider towards the right. If you want to decrease the brightness, move it towards the left. So right after you do that, go back to your game and you'll be able to notice the difference. So there you have successfully increased or decreased your brightness in Bully Anniversary Edition game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.